everybody. It's March, which is exciting for two really important reasons. The first one is that spring is right around the corner. I'm already seeing the daffodils come up. And we're all coming out of hibernation, which feels so good to be back in person and see people without masks. The second great thing is that March means the NFMT conference in Baltimore is also back and ready to go. I'm going to be there March 28th for a pre-conference workshop called Take Control of Your FM Knowledge Gap. We're going to spend a little time, about 2 hours, talking about professional development and the ProFM Credential. I'll talk about what the body of knowledge is. We're also going to have some fun with an interactive game, and there's even going to be prizes. So I hope you'll join me March 28th. You can register for this 2-hour workshop. We'll have a lot of fun. Join me. Thanks.